Oh my God! Don't laugh. She's not even putting her mouth into it.
You guys are doing great. You're doing great. Remember, they have to be all chewed up.
And you have to stick out your tongue.
Doing great, Jess. I'm so proud of you. Oh, Pastor Sarah's wedding. Jess, come on. You got to chew it up.
Let's stick out your tongue.
Oh, it's on. Oh, it has to be completely chewed up. Come on, Alex. Come on. You ain't going to let these girls beat you, are you? Come on.
Well, because
Go, 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 go.
Chug it.
Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it. Who's going to be the winner? Who's going to be the winner? It's a tie. Oh, who chews faster?
Who's number two?
I don't know. I don't know. Alex, come on, come on. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Alex! Swallow! Swallow! Swallow!
No!